Yeah, me G, what you think about Alkaline Keyman song?
Bad piece of song, man. Believe me, man. It's right now, me I tell you, say, a difficult song for you, some of them man they answer. Cause to the dog deal with it, I tell you, them a forward good for answer that. Only for shot fire, you see it. If you move out of my artist get shot, see where. Even though I don't know, if I move out of my artist, but if I war, we don't really miss it. War, you know. Cause a war we say, a war we need. You see me? But massacre and cartel, them a run too much further than to start them to fight some war no man. You see me? Cartel come and they want to dance hall in a church hall. Me not depend that. A war we want in a dance hall. But God is the greatest. Me not busy with that. God is great. A war is the greatest right about now. You see me there? Boof! Boof boy we say, massacre attack run up and down. You see them in a kill off your camp over there and a kill you. Yeah? You don't see that? You're too coward, man. Oh, too no. Avado alone go take up the war, and I'm sure the positive say, any war if you go with Avado alone go take up the war. You see what I mean there? So, me can't depend on the war with Movado and Alkaline, but we don't need it. We don't need it. Because I'm two artists, so we don't need it. But anything. You see me? Bad song. Keyman and Big Gun, big song. I two man them a carry the answer right now and them a try to kill it. You see me? With them bag of fuckery. Jump in a war and do a thing. More fire song gonna waste, man.
Alright, thank you for your time.
Buff.
I said the pussy them. Things say badness are burgers and bangles. Well, you under me ankle, look boy, you get trample. A easy thing for them get this manko. Suck your mother. Take your life and not tell you thank you. Buff. Better than way, man.